Hi, Ate Gia. Hi, Jeannie.
Hi.
Okay, nandito na naman tayo sa ating
Yes.
2-digit multiplication multiplied by 11 the easier way. Okay. So, ipakita mo nga, Ate Gia, kung paano yon.
First, we gotta down the 7. Here is the 8. Gotta combine these two. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 5 here, carry 1.
And the answer is?
758.
Pero may carry 1. So, you have to plus it. Magiging 8,
8.
58. So, yan ang encircle mo kasi yan ang sagot. Okay, next. Next question. Next problem.
13 times 11. Gotta do the second one. Like here, here, and 4.
Okay.
3, 4 times. Now we gotta go 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Next question is
47. So down to 4. Here's the 7. Then gotta time these two. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 carry 1. 5, 1. Oh, 1. Alright. 7.
okay.
Correct. 88 times 11, 8 times
8 plus 8.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay.
So 6 here, 1 here. So 9, 6, 8,
Okay.
7, 1.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, that's sa span lang ng minute. 2 minutes siguro, no? Hindi kasi dati na timer. Pero, the easier way is ibaba natin si 7, ibaba natin si 8, and then ipa-plus natin si 7 plus 8, magiging 15, carry 1, kaya magiging sagot is 858. Sa 13 times 11, ibaba si 1, ibaba si 3, i-add si 1 plus 3, magiging 4. Ang sagot ay 143. So, kung na-practice natin to palagian, magiging mentally, alam natin yung sagot without using paper, as quick as calculator. Bye-bye everyone!
Bye.